All of us heard about Linux operating system. So I have a question. Have you ever used it? For this video, I found a cool website to test Linux distro versions online. Let's jump to the screen. The website name is Distro C. Not this C, this C. Imagine these are babes. In here, you'll see bunch of different versions, different operating systems that are made with Linux. Okay, you'll see Ubuntu, I don't know, Slacks. If you want to type a version, in here you'll simply type it. As an example, I'm going to test elementary OS, but if you want to test any of them, you can simply click on them easily. I'm just going to test the elementary OS, and I will select the version of that. I will select the 8 version. As you can see, it says 3 users are using this elementary OS, so you need to wait about a minute. So then you can use this. Let me tell you a useful note that you will need to know. These websites are running online, okay? So you are not going to feel the vibes that this operating system is going to give us, okay? First thing is we are online, okay? Based on your internet speed, they will be slower, faster, and the other thing is they are virtual, okay? So you are not going to feel the thing. You can only see the UI of that. I'm going to choose English, US, and I will select it. I'm going to try the demo and hit on the try demo. Okay, it says welcome. If you want to know the basic guides, you can click next, next, next. If you don't want, you simply click on skip all. And I hit on get started. As you can see, this elementary OS version is look like Mac OS because Mac is kind of Linux. Weird though, but that's true. They use Linux to create Mac. This is the UI of this Linux version. You'll see videos, you'll see pictures, I don't know, you'll see the file system, you'll see the home, okay? This one is desktop. As you can see, it's 2 look like Mac. At the left part, I click in here and then go to settings. If I go to the advanced, I can speed up and raise the quality, and I can also raise and decrease the compression level. In here, if you want, you can change the scaling mode, and if you want to click to window, click this one, and if you want to full screen it, I hit on this one. So if you press on escape, you're going to exit from this full screen. If you want to test other distro versions of the Linux, you can simply again find another one. Another note that I need to mention you is you mustn't connect into any proxies, into any DNS. Okay, you mustn't connect it. If you connect into them and if you use them, this website is not going to work. In the near future, I'm going to install these Linux distro versions into a real device. So don't forget to press the subscribe button and wait for the next videos. If you want, you can watch this video too. On that one, I'm going to tell you how you can use Microsoft Office for free. See you at the next one.